Spider monkeys are found in the tropical forests of Central and South America. They inhabit both rainforests and dry deciduous forests at various elevations, from lowland areas to the cloud forest. These highly adaptable creatures prefer trees with broad canopies, where they can utilize their prehensile tails for easy movement through the branches. Spider monkeys tend to stay in one area year-round, rather than migrating. Their home range can be quite large, covering between 4 and 13 square miles, which they defend against intruders. Within this territory, they build temporary nests for sleeping. These nests are cozy platforms made from leaves that can be reused for multiple nights. Let's take a moment to appreciate the unique physical characteristics of spider monkeys. These primates typically measure between 16 and 24 inches in length, excluding their tail, and weigh around 11 pounds. Their most striking feature is undoubtedly their prehensile tail, which is approximately the same length as their body. Covered in rubbery skin, this tail acts as a fifth limb, allowing them to grasp branches, climb trees, and even hang upside down. Spider monkeys possess keen eyesight, enabling them to navigate their arboreal habitat with ease. Their large eyes are set wide apart, granting them excellent depth perception. Furthermore, their big hands and feet are equipped with curved claws that serve as adaptations for gripping branches and leaves. The spider monkey's body is covered in long, silky hair that can vary in color from gray to brown or black. This thick fur provides insulation and camouflage in their forest homes. These remarkable creatures primarily consume fruits, including those found on tall trees, which other animals often overlook. Their diet consists of ripe fruits, unripe fruits, buds, and leaves. Spider monkeys are known to be highly selective in their feeding, often choosing only the finest and ripest fruits available. This preference for high-quality food contributes to their overall health and well-being. Spider monkeys lead an active life, spending much of their day searching for food and socializing with their troop members. These intelligent primates have excellent climbing abilities, utilizing their prehensile tails and nimble limbs to effortlessly navigate the forest canopy. Spider monkeys are primarily active during daylight hours, but their activity levels can vary depending on factors such as predation pressure and food availability. They are generally more active in the early morning and late afternoon, taking advantage of the cooler temperatures. Spider monkeys are known for their acrobatic prowess, leaping gracefully from branch to branch with ease. Their agility and balance are truly remarkable, allowing them to move through the trees with a certain grace. When navigating their arboreal habitat, spider monkeys rely primarily on their visual senses, using their keen eyesight to judge distances and spot potential hazards or food sources. Their large eyes and forward-facing gaze provide them with excellent depth perception, which is crucial for their acrobatic movements. However, it is important to note that while sight is their dominant sense, spider monkeys also utilize their other senses, including hearing and touch, to gather information about their surroundings. Their sensitive ears aid in detecting predators or potential threats, while their tactile senses help them grip branches and leaves securely. Thoughtful. Spider monkeys are known for their intelligence and problem-solving abilities. They have the capacity to recognize themselves in the mirror, indicating a self-awareness that is comparable to that of humans. This cognitive ability sets them apart from many other animal species and highlights their advanced intelligence. Spider monkeys typically mate during the day, and females are receptive to mating only during a brief period known as ovulation. This cycle occurs roughly every 26 to 34 days, and the female will display signs of receptiveness by vocalizing and rubbing against objects or her companions. Mating is not forced, and females have the freedom to choose their partners. After a gestation period of around 150 to 160 days, the female gives birth to a single offspring. Newborn spider monkeys are known as infants. These infants are initially grayish in color and completely dependent on their mothers for survival. They ride on their mother's back, clinging to her for warmth and nourishment. Spider monkey infants begin to develop sexual maturity around the age of 6 years old. However, they will typically remain in their natal group for several more years before dispersing to establish their own territories. Spider monkeys play a vital role in seed dispersal in their ecosystem. The seeds that pass through their digestive system intact are deposited in their feces, which often end up in new locations. This process helps to propagate plants and maintain the biodiversity of the forest. Spider monkeys are primarily hunted by jaguars, eagles, and humans. To protect themselves from predators, they rely on their agility, speed, and keen eyesight to navigate the forest canopy and spot potential threats from afar. Spider monkeys are listed as least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. However, they face threats such as habitat loss due to deforestation and the illegal pet trade. Conservation efforts are focused on protecting their natural habitats and raising awareness about their importance in the ecosystem. Here are some additional facts about spider monkeys. Did you know that spider monkeys can live up to 40 years? They are highly social animals and live in groups of up to 15 individuals, led by a dominant male. Spider monkeys communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations, including squeals, screams, and whistles. These calls serve various purposes, such as alerting the troop to danger, announcing the presence of food, or maintaining group cohesion. Spider monkeys are capable of producing a wide range of sounds, and their vocal repertoire is essential for their social interactions. In conclusion, spider monkeys are truly remarkable creatures. Their unique physical characteristics, arboreal lifestyle, and intelligence make them stand out in the animal kingdom. By understanding their habitat, diet, behavior, and the threats they face, we can appreciate these amazing primates and work towards their conservation. So next time you hear the word monkey, think of the spider monkey, the acrobatic marvel of the rainforest.